customer experience. We have a digital strategy in place, which is connected people, connected processes, connected products, and connected plants. So this digital strategy basically entails on something which is going to impact your customer delight, or it's going to create an operational efficiency, or it's going to save costs. So anything it has to pass through that filter, but customer delight is kept on top. So even if generally it is seen as if you look at in a very silo vision, you will only look at what can I do for enhancing my manufacturing excellence. Okay, let me put a MES in place, putting various solutions in place. You are only aiming at how you are creating a manufacturing excellence. For us, it's very important to have end-to-end digital experience being delivered to our customer, right from I would say customer orders a product till I would say till the raw material procurement stage. How we are able to create a value for our end customer. So today, in case a customer is facing a quality challenge, am I able to zero it down to a particular operator who produced that product? I think the ultimate aim is to get customer a right product at a right price so that we're able to create a customer delight. So whatever I would say digital platforms which are available in the company are totally integrated with each other. We have all the apps which are there for which is called M Partner today. Almost 60,000 dealers are already connected on that. My manufacturing excellence system is connected with that. So you can understand everything has to be connected together, whether we are using SAP RISE on cloud or I'm using a CRM. So nothing can work in a siloed pattern. Because once we talk about customer delight, it has to start from raw material procurement. Because if I'm getting a bad raw material from a vendor, and suppose the operator who's producing is having a training gap, is it available in my in his learning and development plan? Is he so? How are you able to create a complete story? I think this has been our aim to create the strategy, and we have been fairly successful in that.